We get it to Rizaga, who won the early titles. I'm just going to keep playing knight f3, g3. I'm not in the mood to be extravagant here. So let's keep going. There we go. Let's play knight f3. Okay, let's play g3. Something's... Let's play this one. Okay. Castle. Oh, I meant to go b3. I meant to go b3, not a3, but whatever. Okay. I meant to go b3, but whatever. Okay, whatever. Let's just play chess and pretend I didn't do something stupid. Let's go c4 here. Jeez. I'm lucky because it's actually my position is quite okay, but jeez. Yikes. It goes knight a6, which is kind of a weird move. Let's play queen b3. Don't like knight a6 here. I've actually gotten a pretty nice position. Knight c7, logical move. I could play knight c3. For whatever reason, I feel like I don't want to block this diagonal. Like, I don't want to go here because he can move the knight. I kind of want to keep this diagonal open. He can close it too, but I don't want to do it myself. He goes knight e6, which looks kind of awkward. Go knight d2. I can always go e3 somewhere. I think I'm actually going to play e3 here. Maybe d4, maybe rook c1. I really like my placement of the towers, so I'm really happy with the placement. Could have played e4 too, maybe, but okay, whatever. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling. Get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna go here, probably d4. He'll probably go rook c8, I assume. Okay, he's deep in the tank here. Okay, Dubov and Nepo drew quickly, of course. No surprise there, obviously, for the memes. Okay, goes knight of 8. Now, I think I should actually play d4. I don't know. It looks right to me. It just looks right to just take. Like to go d4, d5. I mean, it just looks... It feels right. We'll see if it is. I get a good feeling. Yeah. I'm going to take with a pawn. If d5 will go c5. It goes e5. I mean... Of course, I'm going to take and go c5 and just try to open up the center of the board here. I think he's made a mistake, by the way. I think I'm better here, actually. Because if he goes b5, I have c6. Oh, he's got this, which, of course, I didn't realize was a move. Queen e3 is knight g4. I missed this, of course. Knight g4, queen g5, h5, cb6, queen b6, knight c4. I don't want to go... I'll go here. Oh, but now by taking it, I'll stick with the a pawn. I feel like I might have slightly misplayed this. Oh, he take. Wow. Okay, but now I take? Huh? Oh, he's got this, but now I have queen b5 maybe. Yeah, because now I can force the queens off the board. Maybe oh, you know what? Maybe I could have sacked and gone like knight c4 or something too. I might, no, probably not because he's knight b6 to hit the queen, but whatever. Let's keep going. So if I take, he takes back. I don't want to, I could take and play rook cc1, e4, knight d4. I'm going to go for it. Takes and rook cc1. Just guard. e4, I have knight e5 or knight e1. Both are playable. I think knight e1 is fine. Because e3, I just take, and I'm fine. I'll pre-move it in case he does. I don't expect him to, but he could. I've got an endgame, though, just like Magnus. So this is what I want. And I'm way up on clock. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling. Get a feeling that I never had before. Now, I could take and take on e4. Bishop b2, trade is messy. Rook b1, bishop a3, rook a1, bishop b4. Bishop a3, knight d2, bishop d3, rook d1. Bishop e4, no. Okay. Takes, knight e4. Bishop b2. Takes. No, that's not it. That's not it. So if that's not it, then the move I have to play must be knight b3, I guess. This must be the right move. If this doesn't work, then knight b3 has to be correct. I'll pre-move rook d1. It's got this too, but I have rook d6 and knight c5. Wait, it's also knight c2 maybe, because now I have rook e1. Trying to get really tricky here. This might be winning for me, because takes there's rook e1. There's knight a5 or knight d4 or knight c. I assume knight c5 is correct with rook e1. 6. Don't want to trade. Maybe bishop c6, rook c8, bishop f3, knight c5. Thinking too long. This should be winning here. Now I just try to bring the king close slowly but surely. Here. Okay, now I start pushing the a pawn. I should be winning. Oh wait, I can't check. Wow, I almost checked on e8 and lost the game. There we go, I won the game. Bishop d5 is unstoppable. There's just bishop e2. There we go on b7. Fuck. You get the win. All right, thank you to Limopi Datsenko Scenario.